In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your font colors and a few other colors inside of Canva. And this will come in handy if you want to design anything that you're going to be sharing anywhere. So if you already are a person who really knows Canva inside and out, this video probably is not for you. But if you are a beginner and you're just starting to learn Canva, or you're just going to be opening your account for the first time, you're going to want to know how to do this. So we're going to dive into changing our text, but first we need to decide what we're going to be creating. So we're going to sign into your Canva account, and if you don't already have a Canva account, just simply click in the link that's provided for you. It's going to open up a Canva screen. And once you get to that Canva screen, you can go ahead and create a free account and then just follow along with this video. So once you're logged in, you can then choose a design that you want to work with, and then we'll open it into the editor view. For this tutorial, we're going to choose a Facebook post because we all pretty much use social media right now. And I think this one will be the easiest to show you how to create different colors and text as well as elements. But what you're going to learn in this video, you can apply no matter what kind of design you're choosing in Canva. So to pick that design that you want to change, we're going to go ahead and click on the design here. That's going to open it up into editor view. In the editor view, we're going to see that to the left-hand side, we have a bunch of images. These images we can use to then create and add to this blank post, so we don't have a blank post. Now you can create this on your own, or you can just choose one of these pre-made ones. I'm going to choose this one because it's going to allow me to show you how to change the text color as well as how to change an element color. I highly recommend that you get a paid account to Canva, and the reason for that is it's going to open you to a whole lot more that you can do with Canva than the free account. It's not that much a month, and it's definitely worth it. So let's go ahead and click on this. You're just going to simply click on the image you want. It's going to add it into the editor view of that post. So here we go. We have our editor view of our post. And now that we have the image added to the post, it's time to get into changing the color of the fonts. If you already have some brand font colors and you know the hex codes for those, you can go ahead and use those. If not, I'm going to show you how to find colors that will go really well together. So we're going to go over to the website called coolors.co. We're going to hit this little thing right here, which says start the generator, or you can explore trending palettes. So it's up to you what you want to click. Let's just click on explore some trending palettes. This is going to open up some palettes that we can choose from. And then if we see one that we like, we can go ahead and we can open this in the generator. So I just click those three little dots and open in the generator. This is what you will see if you just chose to get started with the generator. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy the colors that we want to use in our design. Now, I personally like these two colors, so let's just use that as a part of our design. So you're going to click on the letters and numbers here. What that's going to do is open up into a screen where you can copy the hex code for that. And if you don't know how to copy and paste on a Mac, check out my video that shows you exactly how to copy and paste on a Mac. And we're going to go ahead and copy that. And then we're heading back into our design. Now that we have that copied, we're going to click on the letters we want to change the color of. And you're going to look here in the design bar at the top for the big capital letter A with a color underneath it. Once you locate that, you're going to go ahead and click on it. And that's going to open into the left-hand side panel now, the editor for the colors. If you have already a brand design created in Canva, you'll find those here. If you don't, that will be blank, but there are also default colors you can use, and then we can paste up here in this little navigation bar. We can go ahead and paste that color that we've chosen. The other cool thing with putting your color up there is you can see some complementary colors that can go with that as well. So to choose that color from scratch, now we're just going to go ahead and click on the color swatch, and you're going to see that has now changed the color inside of our design. So let's move on to how to apply these in other elements of our design as well. We're going to change the color here of the element just here. So you're going to click the element that you want to change, and to the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see that it's going to bring up one of those color swatch boxes. To change the color, you're going to click on that color swatch box. We're going to go ahead and go back to our coolers. We're going to pick this awesome blue. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to go ahead and paste it into our design here. And we're going to choose that swatch, and now you will see that those colors are changed. Oh dear, but now look at our letters. We cannot see them. No worries, you already know how to change your text. Remember, simply click on it. That's going to highlight it. Go over to the capital A with the color, and we're going to go ahead and change that color. And there you have it. You have now changed the colors to your Canva design. How cool is that? So that's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And you can use this technique to change pretty much any color that you can think of on Canva. Whether you're changing the color of your text or whether you're changing the color of an element that you put in, it's pretty much the same thing. You just need to locate the color swatch, go ahead and put in a new hex code is what those are called, and then go ahead and choose that, and it's going to automatically change the color for you. So now that you know how to change the colors of your fonts and even some design elements in Canva, what will you create with it?